Alright guys, we're just gonna do a quick video how my day goes. So, life as a mobile mechanic. I left the house. I wanted to leave at 8. I didn't leave till 8:30. A whole whopping 20 degrees out there. So today's gonna be a fun day. We got 2 outside jobs, 1 inside job. So we got a brake caliper to do and then bleed the brakes, and then we got a job we went to last night and we got to go back because I had to replace the fuel bowl on the 7.3, and one of the fittings broke. And we worked on the truck before. We did injectors and glow plugs on it, and now his fuel bowl started leaking, so we gotta go do that. And then the last job of the day, the guy has a barn, well, small barn type steel structure, whatever you want to call it, but he does have heat in the one side over where the truck is, so at least that will be, he's just using a salamander, but it gets it up to about 40 degrees in there, so it'll make it nice to work on. So alright, we'll just shoot random segments. Like I said, this isn't going in detail on jobs, but just... Alright, I forgot to record when I got to my first stop. That was a repeat customer. She had a bad brake caliper, so we replaced that. Now we're at our second stop. This is a repeat customer, worked on numerous of his vehicles. We put in this 7.3 Power Stroke, put injectors in it, glow plugs, and after a while he put it up for sale because it's a bucket truck, and had a fuel leak. Fuel bowl was leaking, so we pulled that out, we resealed it and all that. This fitting right there was cracked, so had to go and get that. And we're putting that on. Like I said, I'm not showing the repairs. This is just a day in the life. It's 12:30 or 1 o'clock, so this is our second stop. We do have one more stop left. I got a power steering pump in the back of here. We got to put on a 15 Chevy, so as soon as I get this fixed, we'll fire it up, test for leaks, and then we're going to the next stop. Okay, we're on our way to our third and final stop. It is 1:20. We're up to 25 degrees. The brake caliper and bleeding the brakes, and this kit, fuel bowl seal, that was outside. This next stop we're going to, it is inside. Well, a little shop, and he's got a salamander in there, so be a little bit warmer than 25 degrees inside his shop. But yeah, we're on our third, and we only had 3 stops today. Yesterday we had 3, which was today's Sunday, and now you just got to go and do them and try to get them so they got them for Monday morning. So Saturday and Sunday stay kind of busy. So all right, let you know when we're at our last stop. Yeah, we're cheating. We're stopping for some lunch, doing the fast food thing. Thank you. So we got us some lunch. Now we're gonna go to our last stop. 2 Big Macs. They got buy one, get one for $1. So we're doing 2 Big Macs for lunch. All right, we'll see you at the next stop. All right, we're at our last stop. Truck's inside there. He's got the heater going, so we got the brand new power steering pump, so we're gonna get that put on. And that's basically what I do. It's some of it's outside, some's inside. Come winter time, I guess if it's too cold or too nasty out, then I just don't do it, and I just got to turn it down, and I'll have to take it to a shop. There's, you know, it just, if I can get out here and do it, I will. And you know, you're being mobile. If it's outside, you're just at the mercy of the weather, and you do what you can do. So all right, that's how my day goes. Y'all have a good one. Okay, we're back home. It's 4:30. I just gotta take all my batteries in, take my stuff in, but yeah, 4:30 in the evening, we're done, and gonna head into the house and call it a day. So that's my day as a mobile mechanic, what I do. So yeah, I just figured I'd do a quick video.